Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Here is a 2025 Dodge Ram crew cab long bed truck that was repaired by someone else who is supposed to be a collision repair shop. And the paint work and the body work are absolutely terrible. This truck is new, has less than 600 miles, and I'll show you what we got. The factory finish has a slight orange peel. This is totally flat. It's totally flat because they wet sanded it too much to try to hide their mistakes. Looks like they did some repair work on the quarter panel, which is, not only is it really wavy, but it's full of sand scratches because they didn't do the proper prep of the body repair before they did the paint work. And then we have a dent right here. We have a run in the paint that is still there. Then we go here. They masked off this molding, so there's a heavy tape line and overspray right here. Let's open the gas door. Overspray on the gas cap. They painted over the fuel pocket, which should have been removed, and this here is all overspray on the gas door because they don't know what they're doing or they don't care. So he came to us to get it fixed properly. Make sure you choose the right repair facility. Do not take it just anywhere. Don't let your insurance company tell you where to go. He chose us because we're certified and we have a great reputation, and he knows it will be done right. Peace out, everyone. Have a good day. Thank you.